English Masters presents Christmas. Christmas. It's Christmas today. Santa Claus. Santa Claus. Santa Claus brings presents. Christmas tree. Christmas tree. We decorate the Christmas tree. Decorations. Decorations. The decorations look beautiful. Lights. Lights. The lights are on. Presents. Presents. I bought some presents. Stocking. Stocking. The stocking is on the fireplace. Snowflake. Snowflake. I see a snowflake. Snowman. Snowman. The kids are making a snowman. Reindeer. Reindeer. The reindeer can run fast. Sleigh. Sleigh. Santa travels by sleigh. Carol. Carol. We sing a Christmas carol. Mistletoe. Mistletoe? The mistletoe is above the door. Wreath. Wreath? The wreath is on the door. Gingerbread. Gingerbread. I love gingerbread cookies. Gingerbread man. Gingerbread man? Give me that gingerbread man, please. Mulled wine. Mulled wine. We drink mulled wine at Christmas. Party popper. Party popper. We pull a party popper. Bell. Bell. I hear a bell. Holiday spirit. Holiday spirit. I feel the holiday spirit. Merry Christmas, everyone! Subscribe for more English.